Welcome to this trigonometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to find coterminal angles using a systematic and easy approach. This is a fundamental concept that will help you understand how angles work on the coordinate plane. First, let us define what coterminal angles actually are. These are angles in standard position that share the exact same terminal side. Even though they may look like the same angle on paper, they differ by the number of full rotations they have made around the origin. To understand this, remember that one full rotation around a circle is equal to 360 degrees. This means if you start at an angle and rotate a full circle, you land right back where you started. So, if you are given an angle and asked to find a positive coterminal angle, the rule is simple. You just add 360 degrees. This adds one full counterclockwise rotation, bringing the terminal side back to the same position. Let us look at an example. Suppose we have an angle of 50 degrees. To find a positive coterminal angle, we take 50 and add 360. The result is 410 degrees. Both 50 degrees and 410 degrees end at the same place. Now, what if you need to find a negative coterminal angle? The process is just the reverse. You subtract 360 degrees. This represents a full rotation in the clockwise direction. Here is an example for the negative case. If we start with 60 degrees, we subtract 360. The result is negative 300 degrees. This means a rotation of 300 degrees in the clockwise direction lands on the same terminal side as 60 degrees. It is important to know that you are not limited to just one rotation. You can add or subtract 360 degrees as many times as you want. For example, adding 2 full rotations to 45 degrees gives you 765 degrees, which is also coterminal. This leads us to the general formula. Any coterminal angle can be found by taking your starting angle theta and adding or subtracting 360 degrees multiplied by any integer, and this covers all possible coterminal angles. To wrap up, remember these key points. Coterminal angles share a terminal side. Add 360 to find positive angles and subtract 360 to find negative ones. There are infinite possibilities for any single angle.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.